Hi, I'm professional organizer Colette Robicheau, and I'm here today with some tips for small space living. I'm often working with clients that are downsizing to smaller spaces, and they ask me for some new ideas and products that can help them. Things that might have worked in their old homes just aren't working now. And I'm going to talk to you today about this slim hamper. And the folks at Neat Freak developed this because clients were asking them for something that would fit in a smaller space. And smaller space in particular was in the closet. So you can look at the slim design and see how it easily fits into most closets. Even though it's a slim design, don't worry about it not holding all your laundry. It can hold up to 2 loads. And don't worry about the smell either. It has Neat Freak's EVERFRESH, and that will help prevent odor. And how easy is it that you can just remove the inner lining and carry it to your laundry room? So for more neat ideas like this, go to neatfreak.com.